Winter's here, the snow is falling on our car as we drive for miles to that little town called home. Tinsel hangs from every corner of the house.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Subhangi and you're watching Glam, Mermaid. Welcome back to another exciting video, and in today's video I have given this corner of my room a Christmas makeover. So I have shot the full video of how I just transformed it, cleaned it, everything. So if you're interested to know how I gave this corner this makeover, which is looking so cute, then keep on watching. But before moving forward, if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, then just subscribe to my channel. It will mean a lot to me. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and comment down below what you think about this video, obviously after watching this video. Now without any further ado, let's get started. So I will transform this corner of my room into Christmas appropriate something. I will give it a Christmassy effect. So this is how it looks. It's very messy, very dirty. I'll just clean them and give them a makeover bag. What am I speaking? So I will clean them and I will give them a makeover. And a quick disclaimer, please bear my voice because my health is not doing well. I have sore throat, so my voice is sounding very shrill. So please ignore that. Yeah. So I'll just give it a makeover, and I thought to shoot it so that you can get an idea if you want to do the same. So let's start. At first I will clean it and then I'll start giving it a makeover.
All I wanted was you. All I wanted was you.
Yes, I am a very messy person. You can clearly see that by the condition of my room. Can't help it.
Now hear sleeping.
What is this doing here? I use a lot of double-sided tape and that's stuck to my floor and it's not getting off. So
Winter's here, the snow is falling on a car.
they're not coming off. It's so they're so stubborn.
To that little town called home. Tinsel hangs from every corner of the house.
Finally, I managed to pull them off, and they are so dirty. Let me clean my hand, and I'll be back. Mama Earth. In one of my videos, any random person commented that a disclaimer: Mama Earth is a secret sponsor to this video. I was like, really? Mama Earth again. Out of nowhere, Mama Earth is not sponsoring me. No. I literally laughed by reading the comments so much. It was written in a very well managed way, disclaimer and very nice pattern it was written. But disclaimer, Mama Earth is Mama Earth is a secret sponsor for this video. I was like, wow. I only didn't knew that. So for the background or backdrop, I will use this. You can use any piece of clothing or any sari or any curtains. Also does great. But I will use this particular thing for backdrop. This is very nice and I quite like it. So yeah, let me give you a close up. It's a multicolor sequence piece of cloth which I will use as my backdrop. So let's start. I will use this kapra sukhane ka clip for attaching my backdrop to this thing.
All I wanted was you. 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 Now hear sleep.
I think they're looking pretty cool. I got this leaf strand from a local market and they look pretty Christmassy appropriate, so I got it and I'll use this.
Winter's here, the snow is falling on our car as we drive.
Now I'll put some lightings. Here it is. I forgot to shoot, but I just did this. Hung up some lights. This is how it looks. Otherwise, it's not looking that great. Now it's looking get better. Now let's place the Christmas tree, which is this one. This is not super big, but yes. This is the Christmas tree, but I think इसको अगर कुछ height में रखा जाए तो अच्छा लगेगा. I'll figure out if it can be done. I'm just trying to give it some height using this delivery box.
Winter's here, the snow is falling on our car as we.
It's looking pretty nice. Now there are some more decorations to do. I'll do that. I got this. So this is a star. आपको इसको ऐसे करना पड़ता है शायद.
Tinsel hangs from every corner of the house.
Yes, I did it. You have to tie it. Let's see, I'll just figure out what to do with that later. I have this pretty piece, but I don't know where to place it. Like in the top, maybe. But it won't be visible. As of now, I'm just placing it here. But बाद में I will just change its place. Now it's time for giving the tree a little makeover. So I'll just zoom in the camera. I think I should shift this tree to this side. I think that way it will look more better. So I'll do that.
I'll see that little town called home. Tinsel hangs.
Yes, I feel it's looking better over there. So I will first cover the tree with this LED light. Let me check whether it's working or not. It is not working. Last try. Yeah, it worked. So I'll just use it.
Winter's here, the snow is falling on our car as we drive for miles to that little town called home. Tinsel hangs from every.
Yes, I think that should be enough. So I'll just light it on. Isn't it looking so pretty? I'm loving it. I think I can just wrap it a few more time. Wait. I don't know when I paused the video. Too much glittery. There are 2 more to go and both are reds. So I think it will look good over here. Oh gosh. The last piece of bell, which I think will go here. Yeah, done. No, there are a few more things, like this cute thing, which is supposed to go at the top. One more star, big one.
As we drive for miles to that little town called home.
And there is a cute Chotusa Santa Claus. Yay! And it's done. My Christmas tree is looking gorgeous. And I'm loving it. I'm adding some fur in the ground.
Yeah, all I wanted was
So I've placed some fur and yeah, they are looking gorgeous. What do you think about the decor? I am loving it. So this is how the room looks after the makeover. And I think it's looking so pretty. I had this thing which my best friend made, so I'm just using it as well as a decor. So that's basically about the transformation. I hope you like it. I'll give you some more glimpse. I think this tree, I will place it in the middle and it will look even better, so I'll do that.
bouncing off the halls as the church choir sings aloud. Feel my heart melt when you walk through those doors for Christmas. You're all I want. All I wanted was you. All I wanted was you.
So that's about the video. I hope you like this transformation and you like this video. And if you like this video, then don't forget to hit the like button and comment down below what you think about this makeover. And we will meet very, very soon with another exciting video. Till then, stay happy, stay safe. Bye.
Winter's here, the snow is falling on a car.